Warning: the video you are about to watch may contain frightening amounts of parasocial activity. Continuing to watch may cause contagious fan hysteria. Do not watch before asking your doctor if this is right for you. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Okay, I'm opening P1Harmony albums. I have 3 in this box. I have the album for Killing It, so I think their last album. I'm a new piece. I don't know. And I have Sad Song and Sad Song Nemo version. I order from Light Up K, it's a Canadian company, and they always put your little name on it. How cute is that? I recently got into P1Harmony and I'm very picky. I'm not big into K-pop. I have been loyal to Stray Kids and only Stray Kids for a long time. But I found P1Harmony and they're very funny and I love their YouTube channel. And so I bought their new album and their old album. And I really love this concept. They have 3 different, I guess 3 different concepts for this album. I have certain photo cards that I really want over others, but I don't really have a bias yet. I don't know why. Like, my bias from Stray Kids is Han. My wrecker is Bangtan. So cute. But for some reason I just can't pick. This isn't intended to be rude, but I know it's not in tech. I don't think it's Keho. Keho was the first member that I liked, and he's my Canadian brother. Oh, I don't know what we do in Canada. Oh, Canada, our home and native land. We've walked the same lands. We've been in some of the same places, not a lie. But anyway, I don't feel like I can pick a bias because all these men are younger than me, and I don't know why that changes things for me. Some of these boys do be 18 though. But yeah, I really like Jiyoung. I think he's a really fun improviser. And I really like Seoul. I really like Jungsub. And I really like Theo. He just gets angry so easily and it's really funny. So we've got Sad Song Nemo version, Sad Song D version, and we've got Killing It. I think this is the Superb version or something. Ooh. I just saw a photo card. Fear. This is really cool. He looked so good. I loved Seoul's hair for this era. And Jungsub's. I'm so happy with this pull. I was just saying I love his look. Here. I got Jiyoung. I really like Jiyoung. Yay, a poster. I'm really happy. I'm really happy with these pulls. You look first. Oh, I like Jiyoung. And then I think this is the one I saw maybe. Who is it? Oh, no, I saw the Jiyoung one. I got Kyo and Jiyoung. I really like the Nemo versions. They seem less like wasteful, like paper-wise, and they're small and easy to display, and they're cute. I got the Nemo version for $8. So this is the keychain. I think this is the set. Okay. Oh, you get all the stickers? Holy shit. I thought you only got like one random one. That's awesome. Okay, we've got whoever drew what, I guess. Sad Song. It's alright, it's okay, last call. Welcome to all you. I feel like Soul drew that. Wasp. Wee. Cool. Cool. Oh, it's Theo. Oh, he's so cute. It's not who I thought it was. The Hello 82 pop-up exclusive. Jian looks so good. Oh. Oh, that's my special photo card. I did not see it, or okay. Okay, wait. I think I especially want Seoul, Jiyoung, and Jungsub for this concept. Like, they just look so good. Oh, Theo again. Cute. And I already saw this one for the ticket. In duck. Again, not to be rude, but does anyone want to trade? Okay, at least I got Soul for something. Very cute. Okay. Oh! This is the one I wanted! I couldn't help it. It was double-sided. Okay. Very cute. This is the one I wanted. Okay. Oh, I just got a spoiler. Cute. You look. Oh, these are the misprinted ones. It says Jungsup, but it's actually Kyo. Okay, I got Kyo. This one says intact on the back, which means I'm safe. It's probably not intact. Who is it? Soul, 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 soul. I got it. I'm literally shaking. This is so parasocial. This is so parasocial and scary, and I know that, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and here's who I got for the exclusive pop-up one. I think this is the one with the egg. Is it the one I want, guys? Oh! I realized that I was still missing another PC. I totally forgot. So, who is it? Oh, I'm happy about that. I was like, I'm missing a look down. So stupid. But it felt like Christmas again, so. Thanks, hubby. Okay, I feel very happy about this. I pulled. I got Jungsup, not in the picture I wanted, but I still got Jungsup. Very happy about that. I literally got the Soul PC of Soul PCs, even though it says intact. Kiho, not mad about that, not mad at all. And I literally got this one that I wanted. So in a way, I also got Jiyoung, and that's something to be happy about. If anybody out there in the void is watching this and wants to trade me Kiho for Jiyoung or Jungsup, please let me know. Same with the film strip thing. Not the film strip. Ticket. And the postcard. Honestly, I want them all to be Soul. I want them all to be Soul. And or Jiyoung and Jungsup. I gotta text Olivia. I gotta text you, Olivia. I gotta text you right now. I was being dramatic and I was telling Olivia that if I didn't get Soul with this cute hair and his cute little necklace being cute, that I would probably have a freak out. And then I literally got him twice. These are misprints though. I'm really curious about that. Like, have they said anything about that? Oh, say, can you see? Here's the full photo card haul. Jiyoung, Theo, Jungsup, Kiho, and Soul. Ha!
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your window.
That's it. Bye. Bye bye. Yes. Yes.
feel like another sad song. 모두가 춤을 춰는 mad song.